This is LeetCode problem 224, basic calculator. Given a string S representing a valid expression, implement a basic calculator to evaluate it and return the result of the evaluation. In this example here, we can see there are plus, minus signs, and parentheses. In addition to this, we might also encounter some numbers with multiple digits. So, in order to solve this complicated problem, we can break it down to 4 parts. The first part is positive and negative signs. We can treat all expressions as pure addition. We assign signs to each number, 1 representing plus, -1 representing minus. This sign can be multiplied by the number. Part 2. Numbers with multiple digits. We can initiate current number as 0, and every time we encounter a new digit, we multiply current number by 10 and add a new digit to it. We can stop once we encounter a non-digit character, indicating the end of the number. This is an example how we process number 168. Part 3. Expression without parentheses. In this example, 16 minus 28 plus 9. The initial sign is 1, initial current number is 0. Once we reach minus operator, it means we reach the end of the first number. So we follow following steps. 1. Multiply the current number 16 by its sign 1. 2. Add the resulting product 16 to the result. 3. Update sign to -1 as current operator is a minus sign. 4. Reset current number to 0 again before building next number. And once we reach second operator, it means we reach the end of the second number. Then we following the steps below. 1. Multiply the current number 28 by its sign -1. 2. Add the resulting product -28 to the result. 3. Update sign to 1. 4. Reset current number to 0 before building next number. Finally, once we reach the end of the string, we just add final number 9 to the result after multiplying it by its sign of 1. Part 4 is expression with parentheses. Open bracket indicates start of a new nested expression. Closing bracket indicates the end of a new nested expression. When we encounter an open bracket, we can follow the steps below. 1. Stack, push, result, save the running result on stack. 2. Stack, push, sign, save the sign of upcoming nested expression on stack. 3. We reset result to 0, sign to 1 as we begin calculating a new expression. In this example, when we encounter an open bracket, we save the running result 16 on stack, and then save the sign -1 of upcoming nested expression on stack. And when we encounter another opening bracket, we save the running result 9 on stack. We also save the sign of upcoming nested expression on stack, which is 1. When we encounter a closing bracket, we can follow steps below. 1. Apply the sign of current nested expression to its result. 2. Add the result of outer expression to the result of current nested expression. In this example, we encounter a closing bracket, so we apply the sign of current nested expression to its result, which is 1, and then add the result of outer expression to the result of current nested expression, which is 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Then we encounter a second closing bracket, so we repeat those steps. First, apply the sign of the current nested expression to its result. In here, it is -1. And then we add the result of outer expression to the result of current nested expression. In this example, it's -11 plus 16, and then we get 5. Now we reach the end of the string. We can return result. Now let's looking at the coding part. We first initialize an empty stack. Set current number to 0, sign to 1, result to 0. For character in string, if we see numbers with multiple digits, every time we encounter a new digit, we multiply current number by 10 and add a new digit to it. If character is digit, current number equals to current num times 10 plus integer character. If the current character is an operator, plus sign or minus sign, then we add current number to the result after multiplying it by its sign. Result plus equals to current num times sign. Then we update the sign. If character is minus operator, the sign equals to -1. If the character equals to plus sign equals to 1. And then we reset current number to 0. If the current character is an opening bracket, a new nested expression is starting. Then we should save current result and sign values by pushing them onto the stack. Then reset their values to start calculating the new nested expression. Reset result to 0, sign to 1. If the current character is a closing bracket, a nested expression has ended. Then we should finalize the result of the current nested expression. Then we apply the sign of the current nested expression's result. Then adding this result to the result of the outer expression. Reset current number to 0 again. Eventually, we finalize the result of the overall expression by using return result plus current number times sign. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of n.